E kampuni loka jena Habols nesegea unita ya Aduko kiekoto Arapai e buga soroti ikariare kau ido e beita iduku ngesi koto matutube na kany lolo e jakai airerore reporter lo Aduko na tutube tena soditi aponisisia una ebe elikobere Aduko na depare bilionite diope ayaito na Aduko na ngese abale be emunosi kesi angetaki na Aduko na ideuna koto mo kariare le ponitoso ngaren kareja sikapu.
Here we are in the first phase of the project. The first phase of the project we have done 65%. Now we are hoping the 35% that is going to be done or kickstart within 2 or 3 weeks from now. The clients have been in vigorous work to make sure they provide the finances. Now we hope that within a given period of time, in a gap of 14 to 3 weeks, we shall have the funds to proceed with the second phase. We have the main structure standing now behind us here, that is the industry, holding 4 specific production lines: management office, laboratory section, the partial level. Then on the other side, we shall have the offices, the first block. On this end, we shall have the showroom and the banking system. And on the end point of the land, we shall have the sports arena. So when you look at all the steps that we should be followed in terms of our structural plan and management on the ground, we have 4 clear processes to reach on that. Yeah, for the first phase now, we have put down averagely 1.5–1.6 billion for the first phase. We hope that when finances come in, we are now looking at averagely 4 billion to accomplish the second phase of the work. Now, when you look at the structure, you look at the machineries and the full accomplishment of the project, the projection plan and the bill goes to 20 billion.
E kampuni loka jena Habols lo isoma ikekeche itosoma itatagoro nuteso nesi ediopeti turita kwana kanu asomukeche na petore corona.
And that's I learned that actually everyone chemicals that kill virus, including by the HIV virus, can kill the laboratory. Before COVID came, I think I was driving to my village, Kalaki, and I said, what can I do to change the land of Lotesot? Because you could see grassroots houses, poverty and so on. Is there anything we can do to change this place? So my desire was to come to Soroti and begin in a small way. I actually wrote to Kalaki district that give me a piece of land, I come and set up my laboratory there. So I begin from Kalaki, but they never gave me the land, so Soroti gave me later. You can change our environment by beginning from camp. I have a very big dream for this place, not just the neighbors alone. I have a thing that we shall have technology center in this place. It's going to come. Computers design and manufactured in this place.
Victoria Seki Toleko na lolo araya pejono na ngosi bibi oraida kolo a minister na kur nyesia balebe.
The most difficult things to do in Uganda is to do business in Uganda. Basically because the administration builds all sorts of hoops for you to go through. I don't know if you are in Soroti City or in your Soroti district. Please prioritize this place so that when you have power, this industrial area line should be your hot line. It never ever goes off. So if you want your district to grow, you sit down with your team and plan. That is 1. 2, don't mix business with politics.
As Office of the President, we have got responsibilities. We also have directives issued from time to time. One of them is to ensure protection of investors, both local, national, and international. And Jena Habo is one of our investors. We have a role to protect you because we need this investment, and this investment has a lot of benefits to the community.
Right now, some ne polo no ya ne ngarakin ngajeno nbe Ekia mitosoma yo adekisangina elo mutose otoma atagoro alias akui iboroka unukwaen.
Nuka TV is Alfred Atuau Kobuga Soroti.